I just received my charcuterie board that was gifted to me. I really do like these. There's so much to go over, so bear with me. There's 2 of these little bowls. They're ceramic bowls that you can either put dip in or really anything in. I really like those. Those are really nice. They have an indentation right here that you can actually put these in, or you can even put it in the middle, which makes it nice. Also comes with a fruit tray or whatever tray that you want, but I really love the grain of the bamboo that you can see. It's really nice. I do a lot of parties and gatherings, so this is really going to make it nice. Let me show you the back of it. So you can have it either sitting on top or you can have it to the side, which is probably better. So you can maximize your area of things that you're going to lay on here. So here's the charcuterie board. Let me show you the thickness of this. It's about, I want to say, 1 inch thick, so really makes it really nice. You can put a lot of stuff on here. It looks like it's about 12 by 12, so it's a good size. I love this little board that you have. This is really cute, really organized, so you can just store it in and not have to worry about where did I put this. So this is going to be great. These are for cheese. Really nice, good size grip on here. So I like the bamboo on these as well. You're going to have this chalk pencil, so you can write on this slate and label like your cheeses or your meats. That's going to be really nice. You can just store that right back in there if you're not using it. I really love this. This is included with your charcuterie board. It is for suggestions on what you could put on your charcuterie board, which is great. Sometimes I just can't think of, like, what else can I use? This is just some good ideas of things that you could use. Also fabulous. I love this. It's a maintenance card. Really great. Things to not use and things to use. So important, guys. This is, if you're going to get something as nice as this is really, really important to know how to maintain the quality of the charcuterie board. This is great. I love that it comes in a set. You can put it all together and store it. Take it with you if you're going to have a party or a gathering somewhere, at church gathering or anything like that. This is going to be a really nice addition to any kind of gathering, and great gifts. So I hope you found this review helpful. Thank you.